Starting today, there are three main changes to the way case and vaccine information is reported on the coronavirus dashboard from the state. This is the dashboard. Here you see the case numbers. This case number will now include reinfections as part of those new case numbers. You'll also now be able to see the number of Ohioans who have received additional doses under this tab here. And lastly, under the vaccine tab, you'll see a more specific breakdown of the different age groups that have started the vaccination process. All of this as we're starting to see a decline in the number of cases.
I think we're all hoping that indeed this is the last great wave.
Even though Dr. Bruce Vanderhoff from the Ohio Department of Health says it appears the Delta-driven wave has moved into a reclining phase, we need to stay vigilant.
As a doctor, I don't hang my hat too much on what I hope will be. I prefer to look at the evidence and the science.
And Dr. Vanderhoff says that science shows vaccines are effective in preventing severe outcomes of the illness. Severe outcomes like hospitalizations and deaths that doctors are seeing in unvaccinated pregnant women.
There is a 70% increased risk of death when you have COVID-19 and you're pregnant. And that number alone is just terrifying for those of us who take care of pregnant people in Ohio.
Which is why their call for pregnant women to get vaccinated is urgent.
In August, we had the highest number of women die from COVID because while they were pregnant, and that just should not happen in this country, in this world, in this time.
Dr. Lisa Egbert is the president of the Ohio Medical Association. She says to get through this pandemic, it's not just up to expecting moms. It's up to everyone eligible to get vaccinated.
While I would love for this to be the end, say sayonara to all of this, I think we need to recognize that we are at 70% as a nation, and we maybe need to be closer to 90% to have real protection from whatever is coming next.
When it comes to the statewide vaccination status, as of today, more than 54% of all Ohioans have started the vaccination process. Lindsay Mills, 10 TV News.